Hi y'all, welcome to Griffin's Dude. Yes, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I have had other projects that took priority. And also, parts aren't cheap and disposable income is hard to come by. So, doing what I can when I can, and I haven't given up on it. So, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. So I got the rear end back from being narrowed. I'm just going to be cleaning it up and putting some 415 on there. It doesn't need to be perfect because this is going to be a driver, not a trailer queen or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. So I put 415 on everything that I was going to. Mainly like the welds and places I couldn't get to with to get the rust off. And I pretty much did all of that. And then once this dries, I'm going to put some primer and some black paint on the rest of it. Alright, well, once this paint dries, I'll get it flipped over and do the other side. And it'll be ready to put in, other than the axles. I still gotta measure for the new axles that's gonna go in it and get those ordered. So with the axle cleaned up and ready to be put in, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these axle mounts that the U-bolts go through and the shock hooks up to. Well, I don't claim to be a welder, so that took me longer than I planned. And it still looks like crap, but it looks better than it did. So I'm just going to get this, get that painted up, and then work on the next one. So I got the rear end painted, and it's dried. It's been dry for a while, and it's been raining, that's why there's a tarp over it. I did get the axles in. Got the quick performance axles. So, got that done, and now I'm going to be focusing on just kind of cleaning up like the leaf springs and probably do some undercoating underneath there on both sides. And the drive shaft, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up and repaint it. And then hopefully later today, when I have some help, I can go ahead and get that rear end put in there, get everything hooked up. And then I doubt I'm going to get the axles put in, but we'll see on that. I'm guessing probably not, because this is going to take me a while. I've got to scrape all this loose stuff off, and yeah, we're expecting rain again today. It's been raining for a little while, and I don't want to paint the drive shaft while it's in the garage, so I don't know. I don't know how it's going to turn out today, but I'm going to do what I can. Well, I decided to go ahead and clean up this drive shaft and get it painted. Hopefully I can get it done between the rain showers. We're supposed to get rain showers again in about 4 hours. I'm going to get this cleaned up, hopefully down to bare metal, and got some primer and paint for it, so I'm hoping to have it done and dried before it rains again. We'll see. I got it painted. I didn't do the ends that great, but that's no problem. Like I said before, it's not a show car. Just want it to look somewhat nice. So now I will move on to doing the inner fenders and the leaf springs. Still might be able to get the rear end put under it today, but we'll see. Alright, so the rear end is back under the car. Didn't get the axles in, but I'll do that another time. I probably will trim those down a little bit. They're hanging pretty low. So, other than that, I'll be putting in the drive shaft, but I'm going to go ahead and put a transmission seal in it first. Figured while it's out, I might as well. But there it is. And I'm going to end the video here. Sorry it took so long to get another one out, but got a lot of things going on. Thanks for watching.